Welcome back to my channel Digital Sprout. Dear viewers, today I am going to review this table, that is the laptop table or study table, whatever you may call. Top of this portion is really premium, and this portion is for keeping your glass or same type of items here, and this is only for keeping your tab and smartphone. There are two groups by which you can charge your laptop also, and the back of that two legs are there. Now you can see these two legs are foldable, so you can fold unfold according to your need. So when it is not used, it will occupy very less space. So these are the 4 points by which it is attached, and these are the spongy like portions. This is for not skidding the table from the surface. So you can move this one according to your need. And now we will test the stability of this table, which is very important. We have we have placed the table on plain surface. We are trying to do that, but you can see here it is not like that. It is not so stable. So when we have giving some forces left and right, up and down, so this is not actually so stable what we have expected from this type of premium laptop table, but it is looking wise, it is really premium. All the things are really good, but one thing, that is the stability. One of the good feature of this leg is that it is not falling down easily when you give forces. So it will come to a particular place and stay here. That is, steps are there. So that is really good. So thank you for watching my video. If you think video is helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you.